Step aside boring presentations. Pro is the ultimate solution for dynamic and interactive meetings and classes. It's got everything in the starter plan, plus so much more. Want to rank ideas, test knowledge, brainstorm, measure learning, check the mood, or just break the ice? Pro's vast range of polling types has you covered. Q&A gets a major upgrade from the basics of the starter plan. Make announcements, moderate and respond to questions, categorize messages, and cherry-pick questions that matter the most to your audience. And guess what? You can even share the control and collaborate with your colleagues. Need feedback ASAP or want to test knowledge asynchronously? Intuitive surveys with real-time results are at your service. Show your audience that you truly value every voice. Use gamified quizzes to captivate learners and boost retention. Learning has never been this fun or easy. With an AI quiz question generator there to do all the heavy lifting for you. And for that extra wow factor, make it your own with simple branding and theming. But that's not all. Download and share stunning charts, poll comparisons, and detailed reports at the click of a button. With seamless integrations into the tools you already use, elevating your presentations has never been easier. Rated #1 in the world for ease of use and support, we've got your back. Ready to be tooled up to provide unmissable presentations? Upgrade to Pro today.